Hey guys, it's Tony here. Look at this. Bitcoin fell down some more. It fell down to 46,000 right now. It is testing our trend line. This is fine, guys. Even though Bitcoin dumping, remember, like I said in my previous video, the EMA ribbon on the weekly time frame is what we're not supposed to break with the daily closes and get rejected. And as long as we don't break below 43,000 for more than a week or for more than 2 weeks, we are fine. So we still can dump more. Go watch that video, my previous video, if you haven't already. But there is some coin that is much more bullish than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and there's an indicator that shows that it's much more bullish for Bitcoin. What is this indicator? Where does it go? And how do I know? I want to talk to you guys about all that and more in this video, so let's get into it. So, Bitcoin, it looks bullish in the long term, but Ethereum looks more bullish. You might not understand why, but I will explain it to you right now. If I turn on Bitcoin and Ethereum both together, you might say that Bitcoin and Ethereum look alike. They are correlated, yes, but there's one major difference about Ethereum that does not happen in Bitcoin. It is that Ethereum has wicks. Now you might be saying, what does wicks have to do? I mean, Bitcoin has this one huge wick right here, but wicks are actually significant because wicks are actually price movements up that come back down before the candle closes. And that means that if you go on the smaller time frame, it shows that Ethereum is much more volatile than Bitcoin. You guys can see Bitcoin is down below, Ethereum is up on the top. Ethereum, while dumping, has a bunch of these price movements around the place, going up, going back down, falling, pumping in the short term. Bitcoin, it just goes up. It has little tiny price pumps and dumps compared to Ethereum that has practically the same thing, only just much bigger. And so, for a Bitcoin, you can't calculate this, but you can have this huge indicator that is actually really bullish. If I draw a resistance line like this, and I draw a support line like this, you guys can see that this is a bullish pennant. And if I hide Bitcoin, you guys can see that this bullish pennant could cause cause Ethereum to go up really fast, really soon. How high could we actually go? Well, let's check. If we calculate from the local bottom all the way to the local high right over here to this pennant, now calculated from the bottom about when we break out. We could break out right now, we could break out later, but this target would take us to about $5,500. That is where the target leads. And what's interesting is that where we're dumping right now, because look at this, even though Ethereum dumped in the short term, in the long term, it is in this bullish pennant, which is a bullish pattern. So Ethereum looks bullish, and we are reaching the end of the triangle. So we have about a week and a half that we can bounce around inside the triangle before we have to break out or break to the downside or count this as a fake indicator and just keep continuing going sort of to the downside. And you guys, this is a bullish indicator, so it could be a big chance that Ethereum could be going up. So Ethereum is looking bullish, not only because of this bullish pennant. Never trust one indicator, people. You can also see that if I turn on the RSI, stochastic RSI, they are really low. So when the RSI is this low and stochastic RSI backs it up, you can see that means a lot of people are overselling, and that means that any crypto actually, or anything, is overspent, so it should be going up soon. And you see RSI is actually at 36 right now, so it's much lower than 40, and so it's a great buy right now. And stochastic RSI didn't flip yet, so we should wait till stochastic RSI flips. So what does that mean? Well, stochastic RSI didn't flip yet, so we can still bounce around the triangle for a little bit longer, but since they're so low in the mid-term and in the long term, we have to be going up soon. We have to start reversing soon. And you guys can see that we are about to dump to the bottom of the triangle. And I believe we will. I believe we could go to $3,400 right now and confirm support. Why? Well, another reason, because we have the Fibonacci retracement level. If we calculate from the local bottom to the local high like this, we do have a huge support level at this level, 0.618. You guys know when we dump, we usually have corrections down to either 0.382 or to the golden pocket. The golden pocket consists of 0.5, approximately, like straight half of how much we pumped up, or 0.618, otherwise known as the golden ratio. And these two levels, they're amazing levels. We can stop falling somewhere inside of this and we just start going up. It's so psychological. And the most usual place where we actually stop falling is 0.618. And so we could actually be going down to 0.618, which is a huge support, confirming support, and going up. If, let's just say, we go up right now, we do, of course, have to break through 0.5, but after that, we have a whole entire big target to 5,500. So Ethereum, it is looking bullish. We also have the EMA ribbon on the weekly time frame, which we are tapping, and like I said already in my previous video, you don't need to come all the way down to the bottom, but sometimes when you break the top, you come down to the bottom like we did here. Unlike we did here, we just tap the top. We could be doing the same exact thing, but when you are with the EMA ribbon, you usually have a reversal and you start going up. So look at this. Ethereum is in the EMA ribbon. It's about to have a reversal. It's in a bullish pennant. It's about to have a reversal. It's about to tap a huge level that we usually have a reversal when we tap it. It's about to have a reversal. Ethereum is looking very, very bullish. And everybody thinks that Ethereum is going to fall. That's really, really strange. But Ethereum is looking very bullish. With a target of 5,500 that will break through our all-time high, that will be bullish for Ethereum, guys. So wait for Ethereum to break out. Approximately 2 weeks, 3 weeks maybe. We're going to have to wait till New Year's, but it is fine, guys. Ethereum is about to break out. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell. If you want me to take analysis of any other crypto, just comment down below. You don't need to be afraid. See you guys next video. Bye!